I was just doing the dishes and everything was fine. And then all of a sudden I lost water pressure. I got it cranked up all the way and that's all I got. I checked my other sink and everything seems fine. We got hot and cold water over here. So maybe there's a clog in here or something, but I'm not getting any cold or hot. It's just dripping here. If you had that problem too, let me go ahead and show you how to fix it real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the head off here and take a look at it. I put some tape on here to keep this from slipping back in here, because once you take the head off, if this cord slips back in there, it's hard to fish it out. All right, I'll take this off here and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, we got plenty of water, look at that. So it's definitely clogged up in here. That does look pretty clogged up too. It looks like there's some stuff in here. Yeah, definitely got some weird stuff in here. Looks like I can see in there some different things and stuff. So if you look under here, there's actually a screen in here. And it's got this stuff clogged in here. I don't know where this came from, but it's got some black stuff there. So I'm getting that screen all cleaned out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in and see if that solved the problem. That did it, that did the trick. Now it's working. The only issue here now is I put too much tape on here. This duct tape sure is sticky. Yeah, this tape's pretty good, but it's tough to get off of here. So yeah, don't over tape it like I did. Otherwise you'll spend more time getting the tape off of here than you will fixing your faucet there. But yeah, so check, if you have a slow running faucet, check some other faucets in your house and make sure everything else is working. And if everything else is working, then you can isolate it and you know it's just your faucet and it probably just has a clog in it. It's not the whole house. So apparently this is a video about removing duct tape from your faucet hose. All right, there you go. It all works now. Now I can finish doing the dishes. So yeah, if you have trouble with a slow running faucet, you can check it to see if it's got a screen clogged up, because that's what happened to mine. All right, there you go. That's how you fix it. If you have one faucet in your house that's running slow, it could just be a clog in the screen. The only thing I would say is make sure you go easy on the duct tape, because that took longer to take the duct tape off than it took to clean out the screen.